Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscati Learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4, and I'm your teacher Ms. Nidar Taza. Welcome to our science class students. This is the continuation of unit number 11, Force and Machine. We already did reading of book page number 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Now we are just review our topic. The main topics are what is force, what is machines, does machines need energy, simple machines, and the kinds of simple machines. So let's get started, students. First of all, brainstorming. Students, do you know that? What is force? Force is a push or pull. And do you know that? What can force do? As you know that force cannot be seen, but we can feel or observe its effect. Force can make objects move faster, slower, or stop them altogether. And what is machines? Students, the thing which makes our work easier. It's a man-made device that make our work more effectively. Now we just move on to our next review time topic, that is about force can act an object from a distance. Students, you remember the magnets and magnetism chapter. You already know that there is a force of attraction or repulsion between two magnets. Similarly, a ball falls to the ground because of force of gravity is acting on it. We can see that force can also act on objects from a distance, as the thing is not touching, but they are just moved to the ground. So that force tell us that is a gravitational force acting on each and every body which is near to the ground, especially when they're near to the ground. It cannot be act on the space. On space, there is no air, no matter. Now we are just move on to our next topic is about simple machine. Students, as the thing you can see, it's a kind of a simple machine, a pair of scissors. You are using a simple machine every day for cutting a paper, for cutting in or using a knife to cut an apple, or lift the lid by using any machine, or you can use spoons as well to just open the lid. Students, kinds of simple machines. So many machines all around you. When we are talking about the lever, the first thing comes to our mind, that is seesaw, right? A seesaw, wheelbarrow, or a pair of scissors are all levers. Lever systems are in our bodies as well. You can see an elbow, the joint act as a fulcrum, and the weight of the forearm and the object held by the forearm act as a load. The effort is applied by the two muscles in the upper arm. A pulley is also a simple machine which is made up of wheels. A wheel of a pulley turns on an axle. There is a groove around the rim of the pulley which holds a rope. When the rope is pulled, the pulley lifts the heavy object. These are the main points, main parts of our lesson. Don't forget to do the practice of an activity which is on your book page number 86. Today's work is about question number 2, match the columns. Students, match the columns are the following. It's a notebook work. A seesaw is an example of lever. Pulley is a kind of simple machine. The force causes objects to fall to the ground. Yes, it's a gravity. Machines make our work easier. Distance traveled is equals to speed multiplied by time. Okay, that will be all for today, students. Don't forget to complete the work in a notebook in the same way how I am writing. Don't forget to write the date entry on the top and unit name. Unit number 11, force and machines. Have a very nice and blessed day. Keep review the lesson, unit number 10 and unit number 11 for two preparation for your next and final assessment. Now it's a quiz time, students. Name some of machines that we use at home, at office, or on road. The names are mixer, juicer. We are using at home. In the office, we are using computers, laptops, or staplers. On the road, car and cycles. What do machines need in order to work? Students, a machine needs energy to do work. Okay, what machines need? Needs energy. Energy could be in any form. Okay. Now that will be all for today's students. Don't forget to wash your hands. Have a very nice and blessed day. Allah Hafiz to everyone.